In today's video, we are going to walk you through how to change your Google language to English on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials. First, sign in your Google account. Once you sign in, you can see a home page like this. And on your left, click Personal Info. Once you click Personal Info, if you scroll down, you can see an option called General Preference for the web. Under that, you can see option Language. Select the language and you can see a pencil icon. Click on that and you can select the language you want to select. So I'm going to select English and I'm going to go for United Kingdom. And once you are happy, click on the save. So language has been updated and our video also ending from here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you enjoy the video. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button.